How to turn on or turn off cover screen automatic unlock for Samsung Smart View wallet was on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on cover screen. After click on cover screen, you will see first option is automatic unlock. If you want to turn on automatic unlock, so turn on this button. If you want to turn off automatic unlock, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see automatic unlock is turn off. If you want to turn on, so turn on this button, you will see automatic unlock is turn on. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off cover screen automatic unlock for Samsung Smart View wallet call on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.